And this morning I was woken at about I think I looked at my phone and it was 20 past 4 to this beep 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 sound, and I'd never heard that before. Anyway, I found this little thing here, which is actually my propane gas alarm. If there's gas in the RV, that will beep. Now, it wasn't a beep for that, it was actually a beep because the battery had gone flat in this thing. So that's hooked up to the battery in the back here. So I went out there, checked it, it was flat. Jump started it with this special little battery pack thing that I have, and ran it for about half an hour. It was all good. As soon as I turned it off, everything else in here went out. So, funnily enough, the battery for the generator has just carked it. Yeah, so gotta go get a new one. Hey guys, so just in here we've got the battery that's decided to not want to work this morning, so I have to disconnect it. And luckily I'm parked in the Canadian Tire car park, not far to go to get a battery. Here we go, it's going into change the battery over. Fucking heavy. There you go. Nothing like a 8:30 a.m. $160 unexpected battery payment. She is. New battery's in. Let's go and see. All I do is fire up this little button. Let's hope. Once again, come through with the goods.